This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 23rd of July. This is James Spann, and as advertised, we have a number of showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Let's get right to it. Here's the radar. We're live at 2:10, going a little early today. Got a live shot out at our food drive. We're doing our summer food drive for families in need. I'll be out at Amherst and Forestdale this evening, but there you go. You can see a number of showers and thunderstorms moving northeastward across the state. And in this kind of air mass, underneath those heavier showers, the rain is really coming down. You can see just a whole bunch of rain here. A lot of rain north of Birmingham. For Birmingham North, Interstate 20 north. And with the heavier showers, torrential rain, thunder, lightning, maybe some gusty winds, but they're not even close to being at severe limits. Let's go down to the southern part of the state, and just a lot of rain down in southwest Alabama, pouring in parts of Washington, Clark, Monroe counties. And we'll check the southeastern corner of the state. Things are relatively quiet now for places like Dothan Enterprise, but again, you'll probably see some showers and thunderstorms later this evening. And again, like we've talked about for days now, in this kind of air mass, you could have a shower or storm at basically any hour of the day or night. It's just an ocean of humidity, a very soupy air mass in place. Here's the upper air look, and again, it's the same story. Upper high over the western states, Nevada, California, Utah, Arizona. There is a downstream trough axis a little west of Alabama, running from the Great Lakes down into Texas. And the colder air aloft makes the air unstable. And that thing sets up like a conveyor belt of deep tropical moisture in here. Visible satellite view, the greatest amount of sunshine over the east and southeast counties of the state. The sky mostly cloudy across the northern third of the state and southwest Alabama. And the radar composite, showing those big clusters of rain and storms all across the deep south. And again today, we've got 70s and 80s in most every location. Jasper 77, Cullman 73 in the middle of the afternoon on a July day. Dothan managing 90, Mobile and Montgomery 87. And most spots will likely stay under 90 through the weekend. We'll check the watch warning map around the nation. Things relatively quiet over the east, and again some heat issues out west. Severe weather outlook through tonight. We have 3 small marginal risks. One out there south of Las Vegas, one around Chicago, one through parts of North Carolina and Virginia. This is tomorrow. We've got marginal risks from near Cleveland up into western New York, parts of the southwest with a monsoon there, and also from Oregon to parts of Montana, including Idaho. And on day 3, which is Thursday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Additional rain amounts between 2 and 3 inches for much of the state. Of course, these are average amounts. Your number could vary. But again, based on the setup, we'll see a number of showers and thunderstorms each day for a while. We do think they will be fewer in number by the weekend, but even then, we'll have scattered showers and storms about. And the tropics remain very quiet. No tropical storm formation, at least for the rest of the month of July. Model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got that big upper high that's over the western states, the trough from the Great Lakes down into parts of the Tennessee Valley and the Mid-South, and it's the same story. We'll see a number of showers and thunderstorms around tomorrow, not raining all day, but occasional showers and storms are likely. Highs only in the low 80s in most spots, way below average for late July. Really not a lot of change on Thursday, and then we're starting to see evidence the showers might be a little fewer in number by Friday and the weekend. This is Friday, this is Saturday, and this is Sunday. So as we approach the weekend, heat levels may be creeping up a little bit with upper 80s, upper 80s. And again, we'll have the chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, but probably not as many as we've seen in recent days. Same thing on Monday of next week. And let's go to Tuesday. And again, this tells a better story. This is Tuesday, the 30th of July. Got a ridge centered a little west of the state. And again, that looks very typical, partly sunny, low 90s, the chance of a pop-up storm in spots in the afternoon. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday, August 2nd. Got a 597 heat ridge out west, and again, that's west of here, thank goodness. And for us, it looks fairly typical, partly sunny, scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. Rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. Thought we'd look at the American global model here, and not quite as aggressive as the European. The European's been up there close to 4 inches, the GFS close to 3 inches, but still, that's not bad rain. This is valid through August the 7th. Temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Look at the low 80s tomorrow. Then mid-80s on Thursday and Friday. Upper 80s over the weekend and early next week. Then finally we get back in the low 90s toward the end of next week, around the first part of August. I'm going a little early today, so I don't have the new 8 to 14-day guidance. This is released about 2:30 Central Time every afternoon. But again, the idea, temperatures could be a little above average here. This is for July 30th through August 5th. The higher anomalies would likely be north and west of here. So one more time, let's go back to the radar. Showers and thunderstorms aplenty over the state today. And again, there's nothing severe. Remember, to be severe, you got to have 58-mile-per-hour winds or 1-inch diameter hail. And there's just nothing like that going on here. These are just old summer soakers. And if you're underneath one of these things, it is coming down. And, of course, we always got the CLCs, the creepy clouds around. But, again, there's nothing severe, no threat of any tornadoes or anything like that today. So, again, that's the northern part of the state. We'll go back into southwest Alabama. And, again, same thing. Clusters of rain and storms, especially through parts of Washington, Clark, Monroe, Mobile, Baldwin, Escambia counties, producing some really good rains there. So again, today I'll be leaving here in a few minutes, going out to the Amherst location in Forestdale. This is the last week of our food drive. And at all of the Amherst locations, and they got a bunch of them, you can drop off non-perishable food items. And you would, if you don't get out much, you'd be shocked to know it, how many families really struggle with money and food insecurity. And it's tough. It really is. School is coming up, the beginning of school, so it's just a good thing to do. It's a teachable moment for your kids. So if you get a chance, drop off a non-perishable food item to any Amherst location this week. It goes to the Community Food Bank of Central Alabama. They do an amazing job of food distribution. A great ministry there. So again, I'll be out there this evening in Forestdale. Tomorrow, going to be at Summerby Retirement Community in the Greystone Hoover area. Friday, the Oxford Public Library. That'll be a 9 o'clock program. And again, no book signing this Saturday. But don't forget to watch us on TV this evening. ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.